Hey, it's Mike with Prism Lighting, and today I wanted to show you our controller and also how you can wire your entire home with our lights without the need for any power injection. And you can do that by splitting the data and power lines into multiple levels. So off this controller enclosure, we have 3 separate runs. One is for the top of the house, one is for the lower level, and I'll walk around here and I'll show you we have a third for around the garage door. So that's 3 outputs on one enclosure, and we've got our lower level and our upper level. And if I walk around here, I'll show you how we did over 100 lights on the top level there. We also did a mix and match where we have our wall washing light for the lower level, and on the outside edge it transitions into our upgraded pixel light. If I keep walking around here, I'll show you just how much of this home we did, all with simple plug and play wiring, no splicing. So on this upper level we have over 100 lights, and our pixel lights here, our wall washing lights here are spaced 13 inches apart. Now we also did this pergola here, and that's on a separate controller with its own enclosure. And this is really neat because they can also light up the inside of the pergola when they choose to, or they can turn it off independently. And we've got that wired on another controller right here.